4x success. Guys, this is volatility 10 index, and I'm going to show you how you can make money trading volatility 10 index. So right now I'm going to introduce our amazing strategy to trade volatility indices, and this strategy also works for crash and boom and also step index. It's a very powerful strategy, so if you want to learn this, make sure you watch this video till the end. I'm going to show you profits using the strategy. Look at this just today. As you can see, for the day today, look at it, profit of $424 with this strategy, trading step index and volatility 10 index as well, using our amazing strategy. Then for just the week, you can see more than 100% bonus with this, more than 100% profit, more than 50% profit with this strategy. Sorry, yeah, you can see this is $622 profit with our amazing strategy. So right now I'm going to show you how you can use this strategy to make money trading synthetic indices. So before we get started, you can click on the link at the description below to create an account for synthetic indices. That's the only broker that offers synthetic indices. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for a success, because we'll give you all the great strategy to trade as you want. Thank you guys. Okay, now I'll put this on the daily time frame while I show you the indicators you need. First indicator, you need a moving average. You set it on period 40, then you take it to shift 0 method, apply to simple, apply to close. You can see method simple, apply to close. The style, make it 2 pixels, use the color red, and you click done. That's just the moving average you need. And then you get a MACD. The MACD, guys, watch this. MACD, the first EMA, you make it 12. Slow EMA, make it 26, and the MACD SMA, you make it 9. Apply to close. Yeah, main 2 pixel, signal 2 pixel, just as you see on my screen. You can use the same color, blue and red. You click done. You can use green as well, whichever one you wish. Okay, so this is it. Now how can you, so this is how you use this strategy. Yeah, so guys, all you need to do using this strategy, I will explain. Look, the first condition you just need to check out, to watch out for, is that you watch out for this moving average anytime it cross above or below the chart, and then you watch out for this MACD to be below the 0 level. You can see this midpoint is the 0 level, so if it goes below the 0 level, it indicates a sell, and if it goes above the 0 level, it indicates a buy. Yeah, so now look, when should you place a sell with this strategy? Look at it. At this point, the moving average crossed above the chart, it indicates a sell, and then the MACD is below the 0 level, it also indicates a sell. If you remember vividly, on our previous video, I told you guys that the volatility 10 index is coming down for a great downtrend, a heavy downtrend, seeing the fact that, look, this is a strong support, a strong resistance zone, and then the market just hit right here, and then we're expecting the market to move to the downside, back to this downside. Yeah, so that's why we're expecting it to sell. Seeing the daily time frame as well, the moving average is above the chart, which indicates a sell using our amazing strategy. So we're expecting volatility 10 index to sell, and since then we have been eating from it. You can see we've been taking profit from volatility 10 index. Yeah, just selling, trading towards the direction, of our overall analysis, yeah, which is on volatility 10 index. So guys, this is it. So now for you to trade with this strategy, you just simply move your trade, your time frame to the small time frame, which is like the 5-minute or the 15-minute time frame to use this strategy. Make sure your zoom level is at the 3rd zoom level or the 2nd zoom level. It works on any of them, but me, I just use 3rd zoom level. So how should you place a sell with this strategy? You place a sell when the moving average crosses above. Look at it. When it crosses above the when it crosses above the chart, moving average cross above the chart, and MACD below the zero level. You see this here, guys. You place a sell. So if you place a sell here, you eat the profit down to the downside. How do you place a buy? You place a buy when the moving average cross below the chart and the MACD starts climbing above the zero level. You can see it at this point. It started climbing above the zero level and it crossed below. It indicates a buy. This is for volatility 10 index, and you can see it's working, guys, really working. So I'll show you also on step index that I'm currently on right now. Good. So I sold step index, as you can see. I sold step index right now, and then what um what I'm using right now for this trade on step index, I'm looking at this resistance level, and I'm expecting this market to move to the downside, to pull back, come back to the downside. That is to bounce. That is for it to be unable to break through this resistance level and then it bounce, guys. So look at the strategy. Look at the strategy. So I'm keeping this trade for long, and if you check for my 1 hour time frame, I can see that the moving average is also above the chart, which indicates a sell. I'm holding this trade for long. My total analysis was on the daily time frame, which indicates that step index is going to sell for the whole of the day. So if you are a scalper, you can this is the perfect time for you to enter for a buy using this strategy, guys. As it crosses below, you place a buy, and then you take profit when it crosses above again. Look at it on step index. It crossed above. You see this here, guys. It crossed above here, and the moving average, the MACD below the zero level. What it's a very perfect strategy, guys, to make money. Show you on. Look at it again. Each time it has a stop loss for you to use. It's a very powerful strategy for you guys. So let's show you on crash 1000 index, so you see how the strategy works, guys. 5 or 15 minute time frame is okay for you to use. Look at this, look at this, guys, look at this. If you are to place a sell right here as it crossed above and MACD below the zero level, you still be selling. Your stop loss will be above the MACD where you enter the trade. Look at it, you will sell down to this point. It's very nice strategy, guys. It's very nice strategy. You can use it to buy and sell crash. If you were to buy, this is a very nice time to buy as it crosses below, as well as this point as it crosses below. See that, guys? At this point, as the moving average crosses below the chart, is a nice time to buy, and then your stop loss will be below the MACD, below the moving average. You place a buy, you're still eating more profit, just like that, guys. Very nice strategy. I'll just show you lastly on boom. Let's use boom 500. How the strategy works, guys. A lot of people are eating with this strategy. They are making money. Look at it, cross above at this point, and the MACD below the zero level. You sell. You see that, guys? You want to buy, it crossed below at this point, MACD getting above the zero level, you buy, you make profit. It's a very powerful strategy, guys. We have other strategies for real, but guys, I love this strategy. I love this strategy so well, for real. So we have other strategy, guys, and we got a new strategy that will be coming up with the latest before the end of this month, bringing you a very nice strategy as well, guys. So just use what works for you. Use what works for you. I can see a lot of people there. Some are using the spike catching strategy that I used to drop. Yeah, the strategy is still working. So just use whatever works for you, guys. A lot of people like to buy crash and say boom. Yeah, why a lot of people like to trade catching spikes. Yeah, there's a strategy for each and every one of you. A lot of people love to scalp the market, stay in front of their device and look at the trade. Why a lot of people just love to place their trade and go set your stop loss and take profit and leave the trade there to do how it want to do. They don't want to stress their mind. Yeah, a lot of people are like that. So use whichever strategy works for you. Why some people just want to come take 5 minutes and take some funds out of the market, and they are done for it. So there is a strategy for that which you can use to just pick 5 candles and pick 6 candles and take your profit on crash 1000 needed. The strategy is also available. The link is at the description below. So guys, use what works for you. We are giving you great strategy to make money. A lot of people are selling these strategies that we're giving out for free. I'm telling you guys, people are selling them, but we're giving it for free. So all you can do is click that subscribe button. Just subscribe and join the Forex Success family. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when we drop a new video. This is, you can see, we are using this to make money. Look at it, we're making money with it. This is just today, yesterday and today, turning this $1000 to 1000, making a profit of $622. So by the end of the week, man, we should be targeting a 200% bonus on this, a 200% profit. That is making $2000 profit on this account. Just like that, guys. There is no trick behind it. Just learn. If you learn, it's it. We are all the same. The same God created you. The same God created me. There is no big deal about it. Don't think they are destined for it. No, no one is destined for it. We only paid for the sacrifice. We learned it. So if you take your time and learn, you will definitely make it. Thank you guys for watching. The link is at the description below to create an account and start trading on Deriv. Click on that link and create an account, guys. We love you. Forex success.